How to get YouTube Premium. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll guide you on how to get YouTube Premium, so you can follow this guide on either your phone or your computer. So in the address bar, replace the current URL with the youtube.com/premium. Hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you directly to the YouTube Premium page. Click on Get Premium option or click on Try 1 month for $0. Now choose the plan you want, such as individual plan, and then click on Start Trial. Here in this page, you have to select your payment method and then enter the required information and then click on Buy. Once completed, you will see the message confirming that your membership is now active and the benefits will start immediately. And with the YouTube Premium, you can enjoy an ad-free experience, allowing you to watch your favorite videos uninterrupted. You can also download the videos for offline viewing, which is perfect for when you're on the go or in the areas with the limited internet access. Additionally, you'll also have access to YouTube Music, giving you the ability to stream millions of songs and playlists without ads. If you encounter any issues during the sign-up process, you can visit the YouTube Help Center for assistance. So this was all about it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.